Yes. Now consider another integral equation. Solve the homogeneous Fredholm integral equation of second kind. Consider g of x. G of x equals lambda into integral 0 to 2 pi. It is sin x plus t g of t dt. Sin x plus t g of t dt. Again, this is a Fredholm homogeneous integral equation. Okay, now how to find out the eigenvalue and eigenfunction? In order to solve this equation, how to solve this one? We have to solve this one. We have to find out its eigenvalue and corresponding eigenfunction. So means it is lambda into integral 0 to 2 pi sin x plus t. So of the form sin a plus t. So it is sin x cos t plus cos x sin t g of t dt. Okay, so that means you can g of x equals, that means g of x equals lambda, first one it is lambda sin x into integral 0 to 2 pi cos t g of t dt plus lambda cos x into integral 0 to 2 pi sin t g of t dt. Agreed. G of x is lambda sin x into integral 0 to 2 pi cos t g of t dt plus lambda cos x into integral 0 to 2 pi sin t g of t dt. That means, suppose it is C1. This is C1 and let it be C2. Let C1 is integral 0 to 2 pi cos t dt and C2 is integral 0 to 2 pi sin t g of t dt. That means, so what is g of x? Thus g of x equals C1 or lambda C1 sin x. Lambda C1 sin x plus lambda C2 cos x. Okay. G of x equals lambda C1 sin x plus lambda C2 cos x. Now what is C1? But C1 equals, what is C1? C1 is integral 0 to 2 pi cos t. Integral 0 to 2 pi cos t g of s lambda C1. What is C1? C1 equals integral 0 to 2 pi cos t g of t dt. What is g of t? It is C1 sin t plus lambda C2 cos t dt. Okay, you can replace this g of t from here C1. G of t is replaced by lambda C1 sin x plus lambda C2 cos x. That means C1 equals lambda integral 0 to 2 pi. Here it is sin t cos t. So it is C1 by 2 into sin 2t dt. One step is skipping there. Listen, it is C1 goes out, C1 into cos t cos t, 2 sin t cos t. You can introduce 2 and 1 by 2 simultaneously. It is C1 by 2 sin 2t dt plus integral 0 to 2 pi C2 cos t into cos t. It is cos square t dt. Okay. That means C1 equals lambda into integral 0 to 2 pi C1 by 2 sin 2t dt plus integral 0 to 2 pi C2 into cos square t. Cos square t is 1 plus cos 2t by 2. So it is 1 plus cos 2t. C2 by t into 1 plus cos square t. 1 plus cos 2t by 2. That means C1 equals lambda into C1 by 2 into sin 2t dt. What is sin 2t? Derivative of sin 2t. So integral of sin 2t is, it is minus cos 2t. From where to where? 0 to 2 pi. Plus C2 by 2 into derivative of 1. So integral of 1 t plus cos 2t sin 2t by 2. From where to where? Again from 0 to 2. Cos 2 pi minus cos 0. So this first term reduces to 0. That means C1 equals lambda into, here this goes to 0. Why? Because cos 2 pi minus cos 0. So C2 by 2 into, yes, it is when t, it is 2 pi minus 0 plus 1 by 2 into sin 2 pi. Sin 2 pi minus sin 0. Sin 2 pi is again 0. So sin 2 pi is equals to 0, sin 0, 0. So what do you get? From here, it is C1 equals lambda C2 by 2. And 2 and 2 cancelling each other. Here, yes, 2 and 2 cancelling each other. C1 equals lambda C2 pi. C1 equals lambda C2 pi. So this is the value of C1. Again, what is C2? By the same arguments. Now consider C2. C2 equals integral, what is C2? Integral 0 to 2 pi sin t g of t dt. What is g of t? It is lambda C1 sin t plus lambda C2 cos t dt. Agreed? That means C2 equals integral 0 to 2 pi lambda C1, it is sin t into sin t, sin square t dt plus integral 0 to 2 pi lambda C2 sin t cos t dt. Okay, so that means C2 equals lambda is commonly taken outside. So integral 0 to 2 pi sin square t. Sin square t means 1 minus cos 2t by 2. C1 by 2 into 1 minus cos 2t. Okay, so it is C1 by 2 into 1 minus cos 2t dt plus lambda goes outside, integral 0 to 2 pi C2 by 2 into sin 2t. That means C2 equals lambda into integral 0 to 2 pi C1 by 2, sorry, we can integrate this one. So it is C1 by 2 into integral of 1, that is t, then from where to where, it is minus integral of cos 2t, that is sin 2t by 2 from 0 to 2 pi plus C2 by 2 into integral of sin 2t minus cos 2t by 2 from 0 to 2. So that means C2 equals lambda into, it is C1 by 2 pi minus 0, 2 pi minus 0, then 2 pi minus 0 minus 1 by 2 into sin 2 pi minus sin 0. Sin 2 pi minus sin 0 plus C2 by 4 into, it is minus C2 by 4 into cos 2 pi minus cos 0. Cos 2 pi minus cos 0. Cos 2 pi 1, cos 0 1, cos 2 0. Sin 2 pi 0, sin 0 0, this also goes to 0. What remains here? 2 and 2 cancelling each other. So C2 equals lambda C1 pi. C2 equals lambda C1 pi. So there are two linear equations which involve in C1 and C2. There are two constants, lambda and pi, lambda and pi. Then how to solve that? So consider these two linear equations. You can solve this one. Lambda 1 or sorry C1 minus lambda pi C2 equals 0 and C2 minus lambda pi C1 equals 0. C1 minus lambda pi C2 equals 0 and C2 minus lambda pi C1 equals 0. So these two equations gives the system of linear homogeneous equations involving C1 and C2. Okay, so for non-zero solutions, consider the determinant of coefficient of C1 1, coefficient of C2 minus lambda. Here it is coefficient of C1 minus lambda pi and C2, that is 1. Then which is equals, you can equating them to 0. That means it is 1 plus 1 minus lambda square pi, and 1 plus, it is 1 minus lambda square pi square equals 0. That means lambda equals plus or minus 1 by pi. Okay. Now, if lambda equals 1 by pi, what happens? If lambda equals 1 by pi, what is from here? What is C1? C1 equals 1 by pi, so C1 minus from here equation 1 and it is equation 2. So, when lambda equals 1 by pi, equation 1 gives C1, lambda equals 1 by pi, pi and pi cancelling each other. So, it is C1 minus C2 equals 0 and equation 2 which gives C2 minus C1 equals 0. Lambda equals 1 by pi, that gives C1 equals C2. Okay, C1 equals C2, C1 equals C2, suppose it is C, some letter. It is C. So what is g of x? Therefore, g of x equals, lambda means it is 1 by pi, lambda is 1 by pi, C1 and C2 is C into sin x plus cos x. So this is the first corresponding or first eigenfunction corresponding to lambda equals pi. C by pi into sin x plus cos x. Okay. Now when lambda equals minus pi, second case, lambda equals minus 1 by pi. When lambda equals minus 1 by pi, equation 1 reduces to C1 minus 1 by pi. So C1 plus C2 equals 0. C1 plus C2 equals 0. And here C2 plus C1 equals 0. C2 plus C1 equals 0. This means C1 equals minus C2. Okay, C1 equals minus C2. So, what I get? Therefore, from here, what is g of x? By using that arguments, g of x equals lambda means minus 1 by pi into C1. That is C1 sin x. C1 sin x minus C2. C2 is minus C1, so it is minus C1 cos x. So it is minus C1 by pi into sin x minus cos x, or it is C1 by pi into cos x minus sin x. G of x equals C1 by pi into cos x minus sin x. So this is the second eigenfunction, or it is eigenfunction corresponding to the eigenvalue lambda is minus 1 by pi. So this is the solution of given Fredholm homogeneous integral equation. Agree? So this is the method to find out the solution of a Fredholm homogeneous integral equations.